Hey, g'day guys, it's Calvin from the Cartoon Company down under in New Zealand. On UZ, UCF20, LS400, engine is going together. We're going to slam the exhaust manifolds on. Pretty simple job. Let's get straight into it. First thing, I have the exhaust gaskets. I've got the same as the ones that came off. Gaskets come with big holes and small holes, as I explained in the video when I took them off. These I've got this little punched out piece, and I'm putting that to the inside. It sits over stuff nicely. On it goes. Manifolds can go either side. The flanges are the same. See, that's because the cylinder heads are the same. If we got into discussing that, who put this dipstick in the way? Have the dipstick out. It's much easier. Of course, that's how some guys are doing turbo manifolds, is flipping the manifold around. Someone put a bolt in the way. That's the air conditioning bolt. It's not, well, it is normally, because there's normally an air conditioning pump there. Anyway, we'll put it back on the right side, like so. Make sure you wash your nuts. These ones were covered in grease and grime, and even after soaking them for a while, they were still not the best. But I certainly do recommend you wash your nuts. And we screw the nuts on. Some of you guys with the big gorilla hands, the big fat fingers, this can be a little bit tricky to get into some of these back ones. I'll do those nuts up in a minute. I'm on the right, no, I'm on the left. I'm on the left rear. And we're going to put this cover on. That goes over the oxygen sensor wiring. Okay, exhaust manifold going on. Again, grab your nuts. Now these exhaust manifolds, I've actually I drilled out some of the broken studs. Really common for them to break studs on that flange, just for fun. I managed to get them all out, so I was pretty happy about that. There's the tricky one. And this one, we'll have to spanner it up. And then I'm going to crank them up nice and tight. Nuts are tight. Probably not the best thing to have, tight nuts. However, those are the bolts we took out of this. We're not putting those back on. We're going to put some nice new ones. Okay, we'll do those bolts up, and I think we are probably going to put in some new oxygen sensors. I think the car would appreciate some new oxygen sensors. Oh, actually, we'll put the dipstick in, eh? Dipstick. I know it's weird doing it on exhaust manifolds. However, you've got to have it out of the way to take the manifolds off, because the dipstick actually goes through the manifold. I did put a new O-ring on the dipstick as well. So I've replaced the oxygen sensors with genuine Denzos. Tucked them in, done them up with a special tool, and they're a serviceable item. So they do need to be replaced periodically. Right. Exhaust manifolds are done. On to the next job.